Hello beautiful people, it's Naomi Secret here again. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please feel free to check my past videos, like, comment and share, and please do not forget to subscribe. And thank you to all my past viewers. Thank you for watching all my videos. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So today I want to give you few ingredients. I want to tell you few ingredients that you can add to your face cream. Choosing out a good face cream, it's it's really important. Choosing out a particular face cream is really important, because the skin on our face is different from the skin on our body, on other parts of our body. Even the skin on your around your eyes is even thinner than the skin on your on your cheek. So finding the perfect face cream, it's a lot, because whenever the first time people see you, the first thing they notice about you is your face. That is where your identity lies. That is your identity. So you need to take care of your face very well. So if you're looking out to to activate your face cream a little bit more, you want to activate, you want to add extra pecks to your face cream, here are the few ingredients that you can add to your face cream. Now the first thing you should know is that when doing any formulation, especially when you want to formulate a lightening product, please make sure to choose a mild base. I do say this all the time. Choose a mild base. Please do not choose a very like extremely strong base for any of your formulation, except if you are trying to achieve something. Okay, always choose a very mild base for your skincare formulation, especially for your face cream. Choose a mild base for it, and you can just add some little ingredients, some ingredients, and you just activate. So the number one serum, they are all serum. I'm going to mention serum, and I hope in my next I'm still going to make a video about tubes, tubes, anti-treatment treatment tubes, anti-inflammatory, anti-dark spots, sunburn and light tubes that you can add to your face cream, and it will not burn your skin out or give you any reaction. I'm still going to make a video about that, but today I want to tell you serums that you can add to your face cream. The first is zero spot serum. Okay, so this zero spot products, they also have the face cream. That zero spot is very good. It is mild and it's so beautiful. It's going to clear off your dark spots, sunburn, any impurities on your face. It's going to really clear that out. So zero dark spot serum, I'm going to post the picture right here so you know what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It's nice. And another one is pigeon serum. Serum is a very beautiful serum that you can use for your face and for your body. You can use it in your face product, and you can use it for your body product as well. It is very beautiful. It comes in this yellow color, and it's just, I like it. Apart from how efficient it is, it also gives my product this color. Like after I mix it with my product, the yellow color becomes dominant, and I love that, because it gives my product this kind of creamy, like you might even think that it's ice cream or it is custard or pap. You would not know until you taste it that it is just cream. It gives my product this yellow color that I like so much. Now another serum is vampire serum. So this vampire serum, it's very okay. It has this I'm going to post a picture also so you would know what it looks like. It's very beautiful, that you can use for your face product, and you can use it for your body product as well. It is very good. It's okay. It's going to lighten up your face very nicely. So this serums that I've been mentioning is for fair skin people, right? It's for fair skin people, because this serum is definitely going to lighten up your face. Yes, it's not going to go bad or make you white, no, but it's just going to lighten up your face, like give you about 1 to 2 shades lighter to your current shade. And it depends on your base. It depends on your base, like it depends on how efficient your base is, that will even determine the how light your skin will be, or how it's going to work more. So if your base is already active, you just add this stuff, it's just it works perfectly. So it actually depends on your base. Now the vampire serum, you can use it on your face, and you can also use it on your body. So the last one is pimento. Now this pimento, I've worked with it so many times. It also comes in yellow color, and it's so good. So good. I love it so much that it's just beautiful. You can use it for your body product also, and you can also use it for your face product. It is so beautiful. It has this very nice smell that I love it so much, and it's cheap also. It is cheap, and you can like, it's one of the most accessible products that I use. Like, I don't have to, start calling and calling or going from one store to the other before I get it. It's always like, it's easily accessible for me, and I like that about the product. And another one I want to mention is Perfect Face Serum. Now, Perfect Face Serum, I started using Perfect Face Serum last year, and it has just been wow. I love it, though it comes in a very tiny bottle. I'm going to post the picture of Perfect Face Serum so you guys can see. I'll post it up there so that you guys can see it. It comes in a very tiny bottle, as if a high drop bottle. An high drop bottle, that's what it looks like. It comes very tiny. I mean, that Perfect Face Serum is good, and it's even cheap. It's even cheaper. It is very, very beautiful. For, you can add it to your face cream for fresh skin person. It's going to, clear off all those impurities on your face. Right? So if you have used any of this serum that I've mentioned, or if you've had any experience with it, please do not forget to drop your comments. And if you're going to try any of the serum that I've mentioned, let me know in the comment section. Right? So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.